Hello, hello, hello. Gagawa tayo ng overnight oats. Pamigat. Oatmeal. Chia seeds. Overnight oat, guys. Chia seed. And breast milk. Tapos walang pambili ng sugar syrup, kaya ito na lang. Asukal. Asukal, guys. Ayan, first lagay tayo ng oatmeal. Oh, meron pa pala akong yogurt dito, guys. Yogurt. Three. Apat na lang, apat. 4. And then sugar. Konting sugar. Tapos chia seeds. Chia seed. One tablespoon. Ayan, halo-haluin. Tapos yogurt. Yogurt. May tira. Kakainin ko mamaya. Tansya-tansya lang, guys. Tansya-tansya. Ayan. Ganyan lang kadali. Tapos ilagay sa fridge overnight for tomorrow's breakfast. Sarap. Sarap, sarap. Sarap, sarap, guys. And then lalagay na natin sa fridge for tomorrow.